Quick tutorial, enabling end-to-end encryption, E2EE in Microsoft Teams. End-to-end encryption, E2EE, in Microsoft Teams enhances the security of your calls and meetings, ensuring that only intended participants can decrypt the content. You can enable E2EE either through the Teams Admin Center or using PowerShell for more automated control. This quick tutorial will guide you through both methods. Method 1. Enabling E2EE using Teams Admin Center. Step by step. 1. Access the Teams Admin Center. Open the Microsoft Teams Admin Center in your browser. Navigate to Enhanced Encryption Policies. You will find this in the Teams Admin Center Settings menu. 2. Modify the global default policy. Locate the global org-wide default policy. Set the policy to Not Enabled, but users can enable to allow users to turn on E2EE for their calls. 3. Save the policy. Click Save to apply the changes. This will allow individual users to enable E2EE for their calls when needed. Note, Teams Premium users can also enable E2EE for meetings, providing extra encryption for larger sessions. Method 2. Enabling E2EE using PowerShell. Step by step. 1. Open PowerShell. Run Windows PowerShell as an administrator. Make sure you have the Microsoft Teams PowerShell module installed. 2. Connect to Teams. Use the following command to connect to your Microsoft Teams environment: PowerShell connect Microsoft Teams. 3. Run the commandlet to update the policy. To allow users to enable E2EE for calls, use this command: PowerShell set CS Teams enhanced encryption policy, identity global, calling end encryption enabled type, disabled user override. Identity global. This refers to the organization-wide policy. Calling end-to-end encryption enabled type disabled user override. This allows users to enable E2EE for calls. 4. Teams Premium Meeting Encryption. If you have Teams Premium, you can use a similar command to enable encryption for meetings. PowerShell set CS Teams enhanced encryption policy, identity global, meeting end-to-end encryption, disabled user override. Summary: Teams Admin Center, easy graphical way to enable E2EE for individual users. Powers for IT admins to automate and control encryption settings across the organization. By following these simple steps, you can enhance the privacy and security of your Microsoft Teams communications.